Some Birds by Matt Spink. Narrated by Jason Mark. Some birds are big.
Some birds are small.
And some birds are just incredibly tall. Some birds swoop. And some birds squawk. Some birds soar high, while some birds just walk. Some birds waddle. Some birds hop. And some birds eat worms until they go pop. Some birds twitch. Some birds tweet. And some birds swim fast with webbed flipper feet. Some birds flutter. Some birds flap. And some birds fly off to other parts of the map. Some birds build nests away from sly cats. And some birds make holes with a rat-a-tat-tat-tat. Some birds are caged. But most birds are free. A much better life. I'm sure you'll agree. Some Birds by Matt Spink.